Welcome to my YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. I hope you like my previous videos. Thanks for your support. Today our topic is health benefits of persimmon fruit. Introduction. The persimmon is a fruit that comes from certain trees in the genus Diospyros. Like the tomato, it is technically a berry but rarely considered one. The fruit is picked in late fall and sometimes stays on the tree into winter. Depending on the strain, the color ranges from yellow to dark red-orange. While some persimmons are spherical, others have the shape of an acorn or pumpkin. In size, they can be anywhere from the size of a $50 to a small grapefruit. Health benefits. Persimmons are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which each provide important health benefits. For example, vitamin C helps support the immune system and protect against heart disease. Persimmons are also high in soluble dietary fiber, which slows the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar. Persimmons provide several other health benefits. 1. Heart health. Persimmons can help keep your arteries clear and reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Eye health. Persimmons can help you keep eyes healthy. 3. Reduced risk of diabetes complications. The peel of a persimmon contains flavonoids that have proven to have anti-diabetic and antioxidant properties. Nutrition. One serving of persimmons contains approximately calories, 118, protein, 1 gram, fat, 0 grams, carbohydrates, 31 grams, fiber, 6 grams, sugars, 21 grams. How to eat persimmons. Here are some ways to add persimmons to your diet. Eat them on their own. Add sliced persimmon to salads. Use instead of apples in pork dishes. Bake healthy muffins or quick breads. Add to oatmeal or granola. Roast persimmons for a healthy dessert. For more informative videos like, share, subscribe our channel Zaib Home and Beauty.